So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, I'll talk you about another learning ML opportunities and about the program. So first of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's get started. So basically, this is the channel you can see here, and I have already updated about the GenAI Exchange Hackathon. If you haven't participated and want to participate in a hackathon and win exciting prizes, you should watch this video. I'll share the video link in the description. Now let's cover the main topic. One more important thing is that if you want to participate in the arcade cohort 2, you can watch these playlists too. All these things will be present in the description box. Now here, basically, program is currently being started, that is ML Learning Summer School. So basically it is powered by Scalers, which is a partner of Amazon. And here we'll be learn about ML skills with the ML experts only who are currently working on the Amazon. So here the main thing is that, as you all are aware, that the deadline is approaching. So here is the application deadline is 31st of July. So make sure you fill it before it, and once you watch this video, you try to fill it. I will tell you what are the details, how you have to fill it, what is the programs, schedules, tutors, all these things will be covered in this video. So here the program will be starting from 9th of August and will be ending on 31st of August 2025. So here are the steps to apply. We'll show a demo also, no need to worry about it. So first thing is that you have to register by 31st of August. Then they will contact you for the selection test, or they will just conduct any kind of test. We'll discover it also. That will be on the 3rd of August. Then they will shortlist, just like the Arcade Facilitator program facilitators who have received the shortlisted emails. Similarly, they will shortlist, and on 9th of August, the program will start. Basically, they will filter the genuine students who are eager of learning, the really want to learn and have at least some knowledge about the program. So these are the steps to apply and about the program. So basically, the aim of this program is to provide the students opportunity to gain the ML insights and the first step in becoming the ready in ML career. So basically it is a intensive course here. Basically it is the fourth year in the 2024 and this will be the fifth edition. So basically anyone who is expected to graduate in 2026 or 2027 can participate. The key takeaways regarding the program is that they will give you in-depth knowledge, opportunity to prepare, and will help you in the most important thing, networking. So here is a program schedule you can see here. From 9th of August, there will be module 1. They will basically there will be live sessions, etc. And there will be Q&As also. Here is a module and then break and then some Q&A with data scientists, etc. So similarly, the module you can see here, this is the program schedule. And here about the leaders, you can read it if you want to read. Now the most important thing is here is the here are your tutors who will be teaching you about the MLC. So here you can just be your tutors like this, and here are some questions. So the most important thing is the FAQs which you were asking about. So what is the eligibility criteria for the ML school? So basically engineering students who are enrolled in the bachelor's, master's or PhD program of any institute in India. Basically this is for Indian students only. So make sure you are from India and then only you can participate in this program. So who are expected to graduate in 2026 or 2027 are eligible to enroll in this program. Now, what is the selection criteria? One more thing, engineering students, just like arcade, anyone, there is no limitation like whether you are from non-science or non-engineering background can also participate. I think mostly 80 to 90% are the non-engineering students only in the arcade program. But here they have specifically mentioned that you should be pursuing this only. Now, what is the selection criteria? So basically, as I said earlier, there will be some test. So there will be two part. Part will be convert with part A will consist of some 20 MCQs based on ML concepts and mathematical fundamentals. Basically probability, statistics and linear algebra, and part 2 will be consisting of programming questions, and overall duration will be 60 minutes. So you can consider 30 each. And can Amazon incoming interns or current or past interns can take part? So yes, they can part. And the schedule they have already mentioned, that is for 8 days, 9, 10, 11, 19, 16, 17, 23, 24, 30, and 31st. Okay, detailed program structure will be shared with the selected students. No need to worry about it. Now here, the mode of the program. Yes, you heard it right. The mode will be virtually. That means it will be online mode. You don't have to visit any offline center, etc. And is there any registration fees? So no, this is free of cost learning. Make sure you take the best of these opportunities, and you can change the test slot. No, there will be test slot and they will check it. Basically, I think it will be on proctored. Basically, your monitor will be running and you have to open the microphone in a silent place. You have to give it. I think that kind of test will be there. And the start time will be anytime. Yes. So there will be test, and I think there will be duration like from 9 to 10, like from 9th of August to 10th of August or 11th of August, depending on their program structure. The test will be there. So basically, you have to just select your slot time if you are busy in the morning or night. You can see here, if your slot time is this, you can join at 9:30, and if okay, until 10 a.m. So basically, they will give the time like 9 to 10, 10 to 12, like this. You have to attain that test on that duration only. Like if they have even 10 a.m. and you try to attempt in 10 p.m., chances are there it won't work. Basically, depending on the updated guidelines, once you are selected, you can just contact them also. Now, what happens that yes. So many people, so what they do, they try to just submit it and just try to reattempt. So basically, there will be no attempt section. Once the test is submitted, either due to network configuration or intentionally, your test will be marked as completed and you won't be able to reappear for the test. So make sure to check your internet connection, place, and make sure you are prepared mentally for giving the test. Now, will be sample questions. Yes. Okay, they will give a sample question paper to you. So you can just practice the exact question which will be in the selection test. Now the next thing is that how many will be shortlisted. So basically there will be top 3,000 students. Basically even if you fill the form, ideally there will be 50 to 1 lakh students might be filling this form even more. Basically, in arcade program, we have 60 to 70,000 students. So this is genuine event. So I think it will increase, but the selection procedure will be very strict and only top 3,000 students from the exam after verifying the documents submitted. Yes, anyone cannot take part. Only the students they will verify it. So here will be done. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach out to the support team. Now, how to apply it? Okay, so how to apply it? Click on apply now. Now, from here, you can see the registration form is here. What you need to do, you have to update the recent semester grade sheet, mark sheet, or any transcripts, your current college ID front and back. Even if in back nothing is mentioned, still you have to just take the screenshot, basically photo and PDF it or just image it. You can see there I have mentioned the format as image, PNG, JPG, and it will be less than 1 MB. So make sure to compress it. Now make sure to use official email. You can use your college email, but I will recommend use your personal email, which is accessible to you 24 into 7, and they will be able to mail you. Okay. Now here, make sure you have entered the correct ID card and you are in the same college. Now, if there is any discrepancy, like you have entered someone else's name or uploaded someone else's document, your face is not matching, then you will be rejected. Okay. Now, the next step is that you'll receive the once you fill this form, you'll receive a copy of this response mail and some sample questions. Okay. Also, you'll receive the test slot within for 48 hours. before the test date. So let's fill the form details. So basically here, just click on this record your email. Now you have to enter the secondary email address. So what is the role of secondary email address? Basically you have to enter the secondary email address in case the first email is not working or they are unable to reach. They'll send two copy of emails, one on the main email and then the secondary email. Now you have to enter your full name as per your college record, basically what is present on your legally name, and your gender, and then your college name. You have to just select from this drop down. Okay, just select from this drop down. And if sometimes what happens, the college names are not visible in such cases, you have to just select other college and enter the college name and mentioning your highest qualification, PhD, MSc, BTech, etc., all things or other. Now after that you have to just mention the duration of the course. Basically, it is 2-year course, 3-year course, 5-year course, etc. Now, your expected graduation year, just select it. And here, if you have any exposure, prior exposure to computer vision, CV, and natural languages processing, anything if you have, you can just select it. Even if you don't know anything, just click on none of the above. And here, if you have made any projects, then submit it. If you don't have, no need to worry about it. There is no compulsity. You can just type NIL or NM. Now again here also, if you have made any paperwork like research paper, then also you can submit the URL or just type NA. Okay, do not mention it. Now here you have to just upload the front side of the ID card. You can see here important thing, and one more important thing is that it should be clearly mentioning your year of the course. Like, then basically the ID card have sessions like 2025 to 2026, 27, etc. So make sure it is mentioning that. And if you don't have the ID card, then you can submit the admission letter. Basically, admission form they are saying you can upload it. Now here you have to upload the back side of the ID card. And in case you don't have the back side of the ID card, you can just upload the admission one. I also said earlier, upload the admission admission form. Okay. Now once you have done this, here you have to upload the semester mark sheet or grade sheet with full name, college name and branch name. It should be mentioned over here. If you don't have your recent mark sheet, you can upload the older one also. Basically like last recent 4 years, and then you have to just upload it. Okay, just only want to view your latest detail like name, personal detail, course and year. Basically they want to verify that you are a genuine student. Once all things are done, just submit it and then you'll get a copy of response. So that's about the event. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, let me know in the comments, and do follow me on Instagram also. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead.